Time to change the tires on the Roomba. So the issue you might be having is a fault code, or your Roomba's just having trouble getting to certain spots that it used to be able to get. Now, this is a Roomba J7, but this procedure will apply to pretty much all of them, just with some slight variations. Now, we will not be replacing the entire wheel because that's expensive. We will be replacing just the tire tread. I will link in the description the kit that I purchased off of Amazon. Now, it's a good idea to lay out a towel or something to keep the screws that you drop from rolling into the abyss. We're going to start with our Phillips screwdriver, which this one came in the kit that I got. We're going to remove our little edger brush deal. Now we're going to remove our dirt disposal bin. There's a little latch on the side right here. My kit came with a new front caster as well, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it now to make removing the cover a little easier. It just pops out like that. There is 5 Phillips screws holding this cover on here. We're going to go ahead and pull all of those out. Now I can lift it off. Now I'm just going to set this just like this off to the side to keep my screws from bouncing around. It's a good idea to unhook the battery. I'm not going to, but if you decide to, you can just push a little tab like this and you can pull the battery out. There is 2 little baby screws holding these things on. One right here and one right here. And you can use your same Phillips screwdriver to remove those. Just a little wiggle and the module will pull out. Be careful not to lose that screw in there. So here's your wheel module. Now, it's going to take some persuasion to get this tire tread off. So I have a heat gun and I'm going to heat up the tread a bit. Now you can use a hair dryer, but this will make the removal process quite a bit easier. So we're going to take our flat blade screwdriver and peel the tire off towards the open side. I'm holding the tread in the vise and just poking it along with my screwdriver. When you're done cursing and your fingers hurt, you'll have a bare Roomba rim ready for a new tire to go on. So we're needing to heat this tire up before we actually put it on to make it a lot easier. Now these tires aren't directional, so they can go on either way. And let's just work it on there. Easy as that. We'll just be assembling that in reverse order, and then we'll be back in business. Now, I'd give yourself about an hour to do this job to be safe. Well, I hope this video helps someone. You guys have a great day.
Keep thinking.